Yep. What's going on, everybody? Trade recap of the day. I really only saw one decent setup for today. It definitely wasn't A plus in my opinion, but I'd give it like a B plus to A. Um, but as far as like actual price action and stuff, pretty choppy. We moved up like 240 points or something like that. Like pre-market and then at open. So I really let the market kind of play out more today and, show me more structure. But yeah, hold on. Let's hop into what I was looking at for the morning. So coming into today, we were actually looking pretty bearish, and then we left London. Then we had this intermediate high right here, and then of course we had that the high up here. Um, and now there were really no entries to be honest. And then like open ripped, took out London, took out the high. And then as we came over more like into this area, I was waiting for this 50-minute open up just because of how overextended we were. And I had a good feeling the trade would hit. I went two contracts on it just because it was just a smaller trade, right? Um, so I was really just waiting for like a nice resweep inversion down to the 15-minute. Which we did get. It was pretty clean, not gonna lie. I entered a little bit higher, but my entry was like right here. Stop was at this second high right here, just to kind of manage risk a little more. Then TP was down at the 15, and we had some pretty choppy price action. Took definitely a little while, and then once we got back down to this low here, that's when I went break even. And then we ended up hitting it. We went a little bit lower. I hopped off the charts, but if we look real quick, I'm sure there was a nice continuation. Yeah, this 5 minute was actually really nice. Super tiny 5 minute, but the close was really good. For your stop here, and then either target that high again, or we can go up a little more. I'm sure we'll rally up to that intermediate high today at some point, right? But yeah, that's the trade for today. Pretty simple. Simple's better, always. It's a good way to end off the week. Had a pretty good week this week. And obviously next week, I'm not even going to bother looking at the charts, but I mentioned last video that I want to do like a year recap type of thing. Not like recapping trades so much, but stuff, more of like stuff I learned and stuff I want to teach you guys, if that makes sense, to kind of help you out, the best I can. And if you want more of that as well, I'm going to put my Discord down below if you want to get mentored by me. It's like a one-on-one mentorship thing. Ton of value in there. Um, but yeah, join up if you're interested in that. The link will be down below. And yeah, probably won't see you guys till after Christmas. So have a good Christmas. Spend some good quality time with your family and everything. I should see you before New Year's. So yeah, we'll pick back up when that time comes. So peace out, Merry Christmas, and see you soon.